Yo guys, so day 1 siya ngayon, bike sa atin, Silverback. So sorry. Ay! May tali. Seleksi muna. Isa muna. Okay, kunin ko. Yo guys! I'm back. Today is August 19, 2024. May bike rack tayo. Tapos sa likod si Silverback. Time check, 6:13 PM. First ride. Saan ka? Saan ka first ride mo? Dubai Island. Diyan lang muna. Target distance is 30 kilometers. Target distance 30 kilometers lang. Mga siguro mahigit 2 oras mahigit yun. May araw pa. Mga 2 oras. Depende kung paano katagal magpahinga. Pahinga ka lang ng mga 2 minutes kada isang ikot. Pabayan mo lang yung heart rate mo ng mga siguro. May zoning heart rate mo, aralan mo yung zone mo. Saan ka na susunog, saan ka kaya mo lang yung maintain. Kaya yan, may zone. Tapos pag lumalakas ka, tumataas yung zone mo. Alam na kagad yan. Mamaya kalagit na ano eh.
Nagtikit ako at parang nilalansan ako sa... Saan pa nagkape tayo? Nagkape.
Oo nga eh. Para talagang burn eh, no? Iniisip ko kanina magkakape eh.
Agad. Ano to? Ice coffee.
Kahit naman gabi, 35 pa rin. 35, 37 pa rin. Masarap yung ano eh. Sabi niya sa nasa mo pa yun. Talaga walang sakit tayo. Talaga nakadaan na ato lang. Alam mo yung kaldaan. Nagkatrang ka na pare. Parang isa lang yung dinadala mo. Wala ka na po parang dahil. Maganda sa mushroom. Pero madaming ako.
I'ma roll another blunt, getting lost, I'm never found. Guess I'm never good enough for these bitches in my town. I don't really give a fuck, I'm a king like with my crown. Can't think about them all, cause it all gon' hold me down. I done made it through the storm, I ain't talking NBA. Mama knew I'd be a star, mama look what I became. I got Vaughn up on the phone, said he touchdown in LA. I'ma get it how I get it, I ain't changing for the fame. Bet I put it on my name. Lately I've been wasted, I'm so done with this fake shit. I'm so done with you. I'm so
Yo, dito na kami. 6:37 Dubai Island. Let's go. Let's go. Magagamit pa to eh. Kaya ba diretso na lang? Itsi-witsi ma. Hold it. Hmm? Dahil may ano na siya. Ay wait, mabigat na masyado. Ano yung Strava mo? On mo na yung Strava mo. Okay. Sa parking doon kami sa tatawid sa kabila. So Strava ko na tsaka yung sa watch mo. Start mo na.
These niggas acting phony, 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 phony. Acting so damn phony. Just get out my way. Swerving through lanes, I be drifting away. And I can't complain, swear that I be okay. We are not the same, no, I'm never gonna change. I'm leaning on the fixture, and I've been off the liquor. Sipping on that Remy with the Henny with a mixture. They follow me like scripture, and I've been getting quicker. Been had the upper hand, I hand to hand it like we never gon' fall. All my brothers on call. We forever gon' ball. No, it's nothing at all. I've just been so lonely, 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 lonely. I've been so damn lonely. These niggas acting phony, 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 phony. Acting so damn phony. Just get out my way. Swerving through lanes, I be drifting away. And I can't complain, swear that I be okay. We are not the same, no, I'm never gonna change.
I got so much drink in me, wonder if you missing me. These days I can't fucking sleep, cause damn, I'm out here living dreams. If I send this text of mine, shawty, is you down to slide? Don't say not tonight, cause you be busy, tell another lie. I done seen this thousands of times, I retype like thousands of lines. We done did this thousands of times, so I ain't tryna choose another time. Shawty, tell me now if you be really tryna start. Tired of this shit, yeah, finna flood my wrist, yeah. I'm writing all these hits, but I wonder what I'm missing. I can never call you my little baby, no. When I drop, I wonder if you say my songs. Cause every time we fucking, we done came and went. But I'm the type to kill for my baby, yeah. I don't care about no fucking Rollie or Mercedes, yeah. Need somebody that really ride or dies with me, yeah. But I don't get in my feelings, I get in my bag. Shawty, if you dumb me, no, we can't go run it back. They ain't the first bitch to do the run around. I'ma dub you first.
Grabe ka. Ang 72? Taas ah. Pagod ka doon? Tara, tatay doon. Isang ikot.
Sugatan pa ako.
Sugatan ka pa.
Wala pala itong ilaw sa harap.
Hindi pa natin sa kotse, hindi natin ano. Okay ka na? Iikot akong isa.
Mikot ka na. Dito mo na.
Tapos pag ikot kong isa, ikot tabay ulit tayong dalawa.
Uwi na tayo.
Ano ka? Sige 20, mga 20 ka lang. Apat na ikot lang yung 20. Di, ang ano kasi, alam mo, kaya napagod, nakasagad yung ano mo, naka hard gear mo. Dapat marunong ka, pagka ano na, pagka maganit na yung takbo, Kailangan mo ng bagalan yung ano mo. Parasan mo ako. 30 minutes tayo sa ikot na yun. Grabe ka.
Grabe hangin doon.
Sabi ko sa'yo, di ba? Okay ka na ba? Kumain ka muna ng ano. Tawagan mo ako pag ano. Ikot ako. Mga 9 minutes. Target ko to 9 minutes to. Okay lang yan?
Surreal.
Attempt number 2. Target 9:30.
Alam mo ba yung parking?
Ayun o. Malayo. Singkot muna ako. Tigit kita doon. Ready? Okay. Yo guys, nag-preview lap ko dito. Nag-start ako dito 10:30. Actually 11 yun eh. Tapos ano, itong mga nakaraan nagkaroon na ako, nag-range na ako ng 9:30, 9:45. Ngayon ang fastest ko kanina 9:30, ngayon 9:20 na ako.
Yelo natin, wala na. Maligam-gam na.
Told you, pag hindi insulated, di ba? So nag-improve tayo, 20 seconds. Pero siguro yun yung fastest ko ngayon. 9:20, hindi ko na ma-break yun kasi talagang laglag yung pang ako doon. So chill riding na lang tayo ngayon. Mga siguro dalawang ikot na chill riding lang. Pag kailangan magpahinga, mapahinga, okay? Chill riding lang, hindi tayo magpupush. So, ikaw mag-dictate na speed. Pampagaan yung malaki, pampagaan yung malaki, pampabigat yung maliit, okay? Bibigat yung cadence.
malaki.
Kailangan pupush mo ng lalagotok, mararamdaman mo mag-change gear yun. Hindi yung tapik lang, kailangan push yun. So mag-start ka mo. Ibaba mo muna sa pinaka ano. And go. So luplap, ano na tayo. Pag masyado nang mabigat, pahinga tayo sa gitna. Tapos pahinga mga 5 minutes, pangit tayo doon. Tapos under ulit, go. Pinakamagana cadence. Magaan pero mabilis ha. Go. Pagana cadence mo ha. Abuto pala eh. Go. Matigas yung ano mo, cadence mo ngayon, kaanan mo. Yung kaan malaki na si dulo. Pupush mo na malakas yun. Yan, kumagaan di ba? Okay. Hanapin mo yung pinaka-comfort mo na hindi ka nahihirapan pero maayos yung liko mo. Control mo muna para hindi malikot. Yan,
Kept on my mom, cause that money be making a way. And life in the game, but I'm moving with caution. I work hard and go pick up deposits and go make a play, ain't no pausing. Gotta make sure everything fall in play like some pollen. She looked me in my face and told me she yawling. I fucked her so good she can't walk out her crawling. Like somebody passed me this ball and I'm ballin'. She sucked me again, think her memory jogging. Yeah, watch out, Slim Flocka when DK gon' run up the rest while these niggas be jogging. I need my check, man, he always gon' remind. I had to bust out some raps for the one time. Think I'm flexing, I only do sometimes. I need to be gas on my wrist like it's lunchtime. I had to bust out some racks. Show me they fake so I can't get attached. I'm a Carolina boy, now we up on the map. But it's her, she a fan, don't wanna get off my lap. No, I'm the kid, it's just hop on the spaz on the trap. Never lying, they know that's a fact. I had to bust out some racks. A girl on my line, but I never be hitting the back. Bust on the road, but I got back on track. Baby switching, I'm knowing the cap. I got back up, so no, I won't scrap. Can put us on safety, we pop like a strap.
Okay na ako sa beginning. 10 kilometers.
isang ikot pa ako, pahinga ka, tapos islas tayo. Yun na lang, 15 ka na lang. Sige, upo ka na dyan, isang pa muna si ano. Yo, so last attempt. Andi na ako, mga minimum lang ako 10 minutes. Isang ikot. Yo guys, so pagod na siya. Knock-out na. 10 kilometers na daw siya. So Ox, goods na yun. Ha?
Ay,
10 ka lang oy. So naka 25 tayo. Almost 5 laps. Goods na ako nun. Tatlong sprint. Dalawang steady state. Pero panalo na. Okay na yun. Sarap. Kahit bitin ng konti pero pwede na yun. Pauwi tayo bukas. Let's go, pili tayo tubig dun sa may tindahan.
Why the booth is? Tell me why you lacking. I can trust you cause I know you finna fall. Too many times I told myself this marijuana getting old. I put those thoughts right in a cage. Gotta smoke me another bowl. Trying to melt all the time away. Every minute just too cold. I'm a sex addict. I love it when she touches the pole. My automatic bullets addicted to taking souls. We let them have it. Empty the clip and reload. My bullets on go. While I smoke some blow. I need it. I need my fair. Shop the demons cause I'm so rare. Waiting, fiending, dreaming. Thinking about my next time. Chasing the dragon. The one in my road. I'm screaming out, fuck it. I hate the drugs. But when I use, I love it. A painful love. The kind of pain when no one cares. Addiction. The whispers in my ears. Think you're better than this. I regret to inform. It's your daily routine, bro. This joint is the norm. You say you're getting off, but we've been here before. Here, I'll pass you some cash. You should go get more. Walking around with open arms, but my heart remaining closed. Care so much about perception. I buy designer clothes. I don't think they pay attention as long as they're fulfilled. Your homies be there for trips, but don't wanna pay the bills. Won't go up inside my lungs. Decisions so complicated. LSD on my tongue. I don't know if I'ma make it. If I die, I need a blunt. At least to keep me sedated. So tired of smoking runs. Gorilla glue, I'ma face it. Oh, I need the Adderall. The devil hits my line, and I answer that call. I don't care, no.
Yo! Gorda pa. Ilan? Nakadalawa ka? First
Pauwi na lang eh.
first time eh, dalawang beses bumakdive dun sa damuhan eh.
Yung anak ko kasi sabi, babalik daw.
Mahira yan oh. Sugat-sugat siya. Yung dalawa, may pangalawa wala.
Meron.
Yung pangalawa may tama din?
Yeah.
Saan yung tama ng pangalawa?
Ito.
Okay lang, yung una yung matindi.
Matindi. Lumipad ako eh.
Ayun oh.
Sugat.
Malit na bagay yan. Let's go guys.